Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Quidditch in Rocket League, easy method. Immediately hop into a free play session and practice low aerials, boost taps, and gentle car tilts. Focus on using your vehicle as a broom to carry the ball like a quaffle. Set simple camera and controller presets. Repeat basic passes and simple shots until muscle memory feels natural and consistent for real matches. In this warm guide, we break down core Quidditch mechanics that make the easy method so effective for new players. Start with low, controlled aerials and short boost bursts to cradle the ball. Use slight car tilt and feather the boost to stay stable. Practice soft passes and timing with teammates. Keep sessions short and focused to build reliable, repeatable habits for match play. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making easy coaching videos. Quick recommendation: try the leak-proof meal prep containers I use between sessions for tidy snacks and fewer spills during long matches. Check the description for the link and other deals and snag one if it helps your routine. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In friendly tones, I walk you through scoring and defending like a Quidditch pro in Rocket League. Prioritize center hoop shots when defenders are out of position and keep rotations disciplined after each attempt. On defense, shadow opponents and contest aerials without overcommitting. Communicate simple calls for passes and shots. Small coordinated moves beat flashy plays when practicing the easy method for consistent wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.